My question is right now, because I've got a BMW X5. It was vandalized 3 months ago outside my house. They smashed the window, stole the steering wheel, and caused a few damage inside. I got the insurance involved straight away. They came and collected the car. Up till today, it's been 3 months. The car is still in the depot.
Well, sorry, when you say the insurance, do you mean a garage, a repair garage?
The insurance itself, my insurance policy.
Insurance companies don't pick up cars. They arrange for garages to pick up cars.
They arrange, they came and picked it up, and the car is still in the depot right now.
Okay.
And at the moment, the insurance company, they don't answer any calls now. And virtually every single day, I've been emailing them. I've got no response.
Goodness. You say they don't answer calls. Please don't name them, and I know you won't. Is it a big insurance company?
Well, I assume so, because I did search it up on Go Compare.
Okay. And you say they don't answer any calls.
It's been nearly a month and a half since I can't get to them.
Wow. Is it a case of you're hanging on and they say your call is very important to us, but they never actually pick up?
That's right. Right.
How long do you wait?
I wait at least 90 minutes and it's disconnected.
Okay.
And it goes on.
Do you know the garage where the car is currently being stored?
I do know the garage, and they can't answer me any questions. They're saying, you'll have to get in touch with your own insurance.
Okay. Have you spoken to them? As far as they know, is the insurance company still trading? Or have you Googled it and looked if it's still trading?
It is still trading because they gave me a courtesy car after 6 weeks.
Oh, so you have a courtesy car. I'm assuming it's not as good as your BMW.
Of course not.
No. All right. So this is slightly tricky because although, of course, you are legally entitled to get the repairs done within a reasonable period of time, enforcing it is entirely different. There's the legal rights you have on the one hand and enforcing those rights on another. Because if you go to court, then all that's going to happen is the judge will say, yes, we order the insurance company to get it sorted and pay Jabbar a bit of compensation, but it'll take you a year to do that, Jabbar, and that's no fun. So what I would do is, you say you've been emailing the insurance company?
I have.
How long have you been doing that?
I've been doing it for the past 2.5 months now.
Okay. What I think you need to do is go to the insurance ombudsman. Now, that's not going to be fast, but it's going to be faster than a court case. That's
right. I have got in touch with them on Monday, last week Monday. They took all the details of me. They said to me, it's been 4 weeks since you've made a official complaint.
And they want you to wait 8 weeks.
I need to wait 8 weeks.
Yeah, okay. And they're entirely right about
that. Within that period of time, if they resolve it, it's good. If not, we will take action.
Okay, that's good. All ombudsmen require you to wait 8 weeks to give whoever they govern 8 weeks to sort out a problem. So they're right there. They're not ripping you off. They're entirely right. They're not just fobbing you off there. In 4 weeks' time, when the 8 weeks is up, hopefully the insurance ombudsman will take some action. For now, you've got a car, might not be as good as your BMW. I'm afraid you just have to wait. There's very little to do.